Hello dear students, welcome to the session. In this video, we are going to look at one of the previous year's JEE question. It came in 2009. Let us look at the statement. Let z is equals to x plus iy be a complex number where x and y are integers. Then the area of the rectangle whose vertices are the root of the equation z bar cube plus z bar z cube is equals to 350 is. Here are the options A 48, B 32, C 40, D 80. Let us consider the given equation, that is z into z bar cube plus z bar into z cube is equals to 350. So further we will take z into z bar common, z into z bar, here we left with z bar square, here we left with z square is equals to 350. We know that z is equals to x plus iy and z bar x minus iy. From properties of conjugate of a complex number, z into z bar is equals to x square plus y square. So further we will find z bar square plus z square. First we will find z square, that is x plus iy whole square. This becomes x square plus 2ixy minus y square. We will find z bar square, that is x minus iy whole square. This becomes x square minus 2ixy minus y square. On adding z square plus z bar square, here plus 2ixy minus 2ixy gets cancelled, then we left with 2 times of x square minus y square. We will substitute these values here. This becomes x square plus y square into 2 times of x square minus y square is equals to 350. Further, here 2 is multiplying, if it comes here divides, then this becomes x square plus y square into x square minus y square is equals to 175. So further this becomes x square plus y square into x square minus y square is equals to, this will rewrite to 25 into 7, because the factors of 175 are 1 into 175, 25 into 7, otherwise 35 into 5. Therefore, the only possible integral values of x and y whose sum of its squares is 25 and whose difference of its square is 7. So let us take 4 and 3. 4 square plus 3 square, this becomes 25. 4 square minus 3 square becomes 7. So therefore, here these are our most suitable factors. Since x comma y belongs to I, then x square plus y square is equals to 25, x square minus y square is equals to 7. Let us take this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now on solving equation 1 and 2, so we will get x value and y value. First adding equation 1 and equation 2. On adding, here plus y square minus y square gets cancelled, then we left with 2x square is equals to, this becomes 32. Further x square is equals to 16 and further x is equals to plus or minus 4. On subtracting equation 1 and 2, here x square gets cancelled, then we have 2y square is equals to 25 minus 7, this becomes 18, and further y square is equals to 9 and y is equals to plus or minus 3. Therefore, the required x values and y values are plus 4 minus 4 plus 3 minus. Let us look at the points. So assume real line, imaginary line, minus 3 minus 4. The first point is plus 4 plus 3. So let us say this is the first point, 4 comma 3, and the second point is minus 4 plus 3. It comes here, minus 4 plus 3, and the third point is minus 4 minus 3, minus 4 minus 3 somewhere you'll here, minus 4 minus 3, and the fourth point is plus 4 minus 3, plus 4 minus 3, 4 comma 3. So these are our required points. When you joining these points, we'll get a rectangle whose length is 4 units plus 4 units, length L is equals to 8 units, and whose breadth is 3 units plus 3 units, breadth B is equals to 6 units. Therefore, area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth 8 into 6, which is equals to 48 square units. 48 square units. Therefore, the correct option is A, 48. Clear? This is it. Thank you.